In today's beginner's guide to makeup, we're talking all things brows. I'll show you how to measure your brows for your face shape and how I style mine. So if you're interested, then just keep watching. Step 1 is to groom your brows. Brows can grow quite long in length and it's okay to trim them so they'll sit correctly. Brush the hairs upwards and trim any extra long hairs. Just make sure you're trimming the extra long ones because if you over trim, you can leave your brows quite gappy. Brows are very personal and come in many different styles, but no matter what style you choose, the way you measure your brows for your face shape will never change. Take something straight and hold it straight up against the dimple of your nose. This is where your brow should begin for your face shape. From the corner of the nose to the corner of the eye, this is where your brow should end. And from the corner of the nose straight through the pupil of the eye, this is the highest point of the brow and this is where your arch should be. For today's video, I'm going to be using this brow collection from Benefit. I'm taking the larger pencil and using this to outline my brow. I start underneath and line the brow straight up at an angle, as I have quite a defined arched brow. This will vary depending on your style of brow. I then like to do the same on the top of the brow, almost joining the dots from point A to point B. I then like to totally fill in the end of my brow downwards to create an angle. I then take the finer pencil and I use this to fill in my eyebrows. I like to flick the pencil upwards, creating natural hair-like strokes, so it looks a little bit more natural. Don't forget to comb through the brows once you're finished to give the brows a softer, more natural finish. When using brow pencils, brows can look a little flat on the face. I like to use a brow mascara to give the brows a more 3D finish and also set the hairs in place. This one is called Gimme Brow from Benefit and I like this one because it has little fibres in it that attach onto the hairs, making them appear fuller, more 3D, and it also sets the hairs in place for the day. When using fillers, things can easily get a little bit messy. I like to clean away the edges and apply concealer around the brow for a more defined finish. I really hope you enjoyed this brow lesson. Don't forget to check out the description box for the downloadable makeup lesson where I will go through all the different brow styles and shapes. I really hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!